Hello everyone, Julie here. Welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't noticed, I have no eyebrows on. I did the rest of my makeup, but I didn't do my eyebrows because I'm gonna share it with all of you how to get those beautiful bushy model eyebrows. I recently have kind of like changed up my eyebrow routine and making them more of like the bushy eyebrows, and ever since then on TikTok and Instagram, people are like, how do you do your brows? What's going on? So I've shared it a little bit on those platforms, but I wanted to do a whole video on like exactly how I achieved the bushy model eyebrows. So if you guys want to see how I get my amazing eyebrows, then keep watching. So before we get into the full video and I get all up close and personal, I wanted to show you guys the products that you're gonna need to achieve the beautiful bushy model eyebrows. So the first product is key. I feel like this is what really gives me the bushy model eyebrows, and it's Got2b's Styling Spiking Glue. This stuff is the holy grail of like bushy eyebrows. It's how you get it to stay up, and it literally stays all day long because of this guy. And then you are definitely gonna need some sort of like liquid eyebrow pen. I am using Urban Decay's Brow Blade. I love this guy because not only does it come with the liquid side, but it also comes with like a waterproof pencil, which you will also need. So instead of getting two different products, like the liquid eyebrow pencil and the waterproof like regular pencil, just get this 2-in-1, and literally this is the best one I've tried. I've tried others. I even tried like an Amazon kind of like dupe of this, and it was not good though. Just spend the extra money and get the good one. Again, it's Urban Decay's Brow Blade. You're gonna need some sort of like concealer, highlighter, pencil. This is kind of like, you don't necessarily need it, but I'm gonna show you guys in a sec just how it helps me a little bit more. And then you're also gonna need just like a very thin eyebrow pencil. And then of course, you're gonna need a spoolie. Yeah, any sort of spoolie. This is what you're gonna use to put on the spiking glue, so this is also very key. So first things first, I'm gonna go with the Urban Decay Brow Blade, and I'm just gonna mark where my arch is gonna be. So how I do this is I line it from my nose to the middle of my eye and put a little dot up there, and then I will repeat on the other side. Next, I'm going to go in with Kelly Baker's concealer pencil and the brush, and I'm going to go ahead and just line my brow. This will help me know exactly what parts to fill in, and it'll also just make the lines really crisp and straight. Then I'm going to go in again with Urban Decay's Brow Blade, and I'm going to be using the waterproof pencil side. So right now I'm just going to outline my brows right where the concealer was, and there's no need to fill in quite yet because we're going to use the liquid pen for that. So now we're going to go in with Got2b's Spiking Glue and your spoolie. So go ahead and just put a little bit of the spiking glue on the spoolie. A little goes a long way, so you really don't need that much. Then you're going to go ahead and take the spoolie with the glue on it and just start to brush your brows up. And then you're going to go ahead and kind of create the desired shape you want. So I like the front of my brows to be a little bit more up, and then I'll shape the end or like the tail down a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and let the glue dry a little bit, and then I'm going to grab my Urban Decay Brow Blade pencil again, and this time I'm going to be using the liquid side. So this side is going to create hair-like strokes, and literally that's all you're going to do is just kind of make little strokes on your eyebrow. I'm going to start by focusing on the spots that are bare or don't have any hair, and then I'll go back in and just fill in a little bit more where I want it to appear like I have a little more hair than I do. And then I will also go to the front part and just add a few more hairs that kind of stick up straight. And just like that, I have beautiful and bushy model eyebrows. It's really simple actually, and I don't know why I waited so long to do this, but I love them, and yeah. So if you guys want to try this out and you don't have all the products, I will put all the links down below to what I used. But yeah, pretty much I love my new beautiful bushy model eyebrows. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also check me out on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.